So I got this chuck roast that I'm going to put in the slow cooker with some potatoes. So I'm only actually going to cook one. I'm going to sear both sides. Let's get started with this searing. So we're going to use these potatoes, the garlic parsley potatoes, and this is going to be the seasoning base. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of this. Let's roughly say that's 1 tablespoon. Okay, so we're going to just keep this real simple. We're going to put the meat in here. Then we're going to put the potatoes and some onions, and then we're going to put the top on it and cook it for 5 hours. Alright, so here's the potatoes. I'm going to put them in. Put some onions in here. Alright, and there's seasoning right here that came with the potatoes. Okay, real simple. Real simple. Then we're going to just put the top on and let this cook for 5 hours on low. Let's cook it on low for 5 hours.